In today's video, I'm going to show you how to summarize any YouTube video instantly using AI. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few simple steps. This is incredibly useful if you want to save time, quickly understand long videos, pull out key points, or get a fast summary without watching the full thing from start to finish. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Claude.ai. Once you're on the Claude website, sign in or create your account if you haven't already. Claude is an AI assistant that can help you analyze content, answer questions, and summarize information in a very natural way. After you've logged in, you'll see the chat interface. Now go to the YouTube video you want to summarize and copy the video URL from the address bar. Make sure you copy the full link so Claude has the correct video to work with. Then come back to Claude and paste that YouTube video URL directly into the chat. This is the most important step because Claude needs the link in order to find the video content. After pasting the URL, type a simple prompt like, "Summarize this YouTube video for me." You can also make the request more specific if you want, such as asking for a short summary, bullet points, key takeaways, or a beginner-friendly explanation. Once you send the prompt, Claude will use web search to fetch the video information and generate a summary based on the content it finds. Give it a few moments to process, especially if the video is long or detailed. When the summary appears, read through it and use it however you need. You can copy it for notes, use it to save time, or even ask Claude to turn it into an outline, checklist, or shorter version. If the first summary is too brief, you can follow up with a prompt like, "Make that more detailed," or "Give me the main points in bullets." That flexibility is what makes this method so powerful. You do not need to scrub through the entire video manually, and you do not need to take notes by hand. Claude can help you quickly understand the content so you can get the information you need in seconds instead of minutes. And that's it. You now know how to summarize any YouTube video instantly using AI with Claude. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials, AI tips, and productivity shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.